Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to do biological drawing. When we observe things using our microscope, of course our objective is to study them, but continue looking into a microscope could be exhausting. This is when biological drawing becomes one excellent alternative. By doing biological drawing, we can document the object, draw what we see, and able to see our drawing conveniently anytime. This will be very helpful. The importance of the accuracy of our biological drawing engender us to really understand how to do this. In this video, I'll be explaining how to do biological drawing correctly. First, use pencil. A sharp HB pencil would be great, and clean unlined white paper. Use a clean eraser for mistakes. Never use pen as they can't be corrected. Second, your drawing, your diagram should be centered on the page, not elsewhere on the paper. Third, your drawing should be large enough to represent every detail you see under the microscope. You don't have to draw everything. A small cross-section will often suffice. Next, number 4, accuracy. Your drawing should accurately represent reality. If you see a perfect circle, draw a perfect circle. If you see an oval, draw an oval. There should be no openings or crossed lines in your drawing. Avoid idealized drawing. This is not an art class. Proportions should be accurate. If necessary, measure length. Fifth, never draw from memory. Never draw when you are not looking at the specimen. Look at the specimen for 5 seconds, then draw for 5 seconds. Repeat until finished. Never use shading. Do stippling instead. Draw dots close together. Next, leave a good margin for labels. Use accurate terminology for labeling. Labeling lines should be made with a ruler and should never cross. Keep labeling lines horizontal or vertical. Don't forget to include a title above drawing which accurately identifies the specimen, magnification below specimen, and name of identifiable structures in margins. Well, those were the things you need to pay attention to when you draw a biological drawing. Never hesitate to contact me if you need further explanation. I'll be happy to help all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. See ya!
Get strong. Get strong.